Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfita and I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Buton. It is a great honor for me to be here at this important seminar, the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing data-driven decision making and innovation for sustainable growth in economic management, accounting, and decision. Let me introduce my team author. The first author, Dewi Mahmuda. The second author, Rianti Pratiwi. And the third author, Nurfita. Introduction. According to Ramadani 2018-72, the stock price is the price of a stock at certain time which is influenced by market participants in accordance with the demand and supply of share in the capital market where the relationship between demand and stock price is positive. The higher the demand, the lower the stock price. For 3 years, the average stock price of each company has increased and decreased every year. The demand and supply for stock affect the increase in the stock prices, and the increases in corporate profit result in an increases in demand for shares, which indicated a good future value outlook and attracted investors to invest in the company. The ratio between net profit and profit generated compared to total asset to generate profit is return on asset. One measure to assess an entity ability to generate profit based on its equity is return on equity. Return on equity reflects part of the profit that can be distributed to investor, which can attract investor to invest in the company. Fahmi 2015 408. Based on research conducted by Dewey and Artini 2016, they found that interest rates have a positive influence on stock prices. However, according to Ramahwati 2018, the result of his research showed that interest rates have a negative effect on stock prices. On the other hand, research by Refual 2016 conclude that interest rates have no effect on stock prices. Based on the explanation from the above background, the author chose the title Determination of Stock Prices on the Indonesian Stock Exchange, an overview of fundamental and macroeconomic factors. Because the study is highly relevant in the world of economic and finance, therefore this study aims to understand how this factor affect companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Research method. The data analysis method uses in this study is quantitative descriptive analysis method. The data source used in this study is secondary data sources. The statistical tool used to help process data in this study is this SPSS, Statistical Package for Social Sciences, statistical tool. The data collection method in this study are 1. Documentation, 2. Literary studies, all literary studies. In these studies, there are 13 three companies that are used as population. The method in this study used the purposive sampling method, a sampling technique that it adjusts to the needs of the researcher because of why we have criteria that must be met. Based on the criteria, we have determined 15 health industry companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange for the 2020 to 2022 period to be used as research sample. Literature review. 1. Signal theory. The theory suggests the shareholder do not have access to all of the company information. 2. Stock share are proof that a person or party is financially involved in a company or limited liability company. 3. Stock prices. The stock price is the price of the real market stock, which is the ACE's price to find and sell the value of the stock in the enjoying market. Fundamental factor analysis. The analysis begins with the macroeconomic effect, the industry situation, and the evolution of the company. Hypothesis development. 1. Individually, return on asset, return on equity, inflation, and interest rates have no significant effect on stock prices. 2. Simultaneously, these four variables also did not affect the stock price significantly. Result and discussion. 1. The effect of return on asset on stock prices. Return on asset is a ratio used to measure the effectiveness of a company in generating profit by utilizing its asset. The result of this study indicate that the return on asset variable has no effect on the stock price, meaning the investors are not affected by the rise and fall of the return on asset value to determine decision investasi. To the effect of return on equity on stock prices. Return on equity is the ability of a company to make a profit with its own capital. The result of this study indicates that the return on equity variable has no effect on the stock price, meaning that the investors are not affected by the rise and fall of the return on equity value to determine investment decision. 3. The effect of inflation and stock prices. Inflation is general and continuous increase in goods and services over a certain period of time. The result of this study indicate that inflation variable have no effect on stock prices. 4. The effect of interest rates on stock prices. Interest rates are policies that reflect the monetary policy stance set by Bank Indonesia and announced to the public. The result of this study indicate the interest rates variable have no effect on stock prices. 4. The effect 5. The effect of return on asset, return on equity, inflation, and interest rates on stock prices. Based on the result of the simultaneous test, it was obtained that the value was 0.287 and the significant value was 0.885, greater than the significant value that had been used, which was 0.05. So it can be concluded that the variable of return on assets, return on equity, inflation, and interest rates simultaneously do not have a significant effect on the stock price. Consolidation and the fees. For the company, it is hoped that it could further improve its company management, such as the variable of return on equity, return on asset, inflation, and interest rate that have no influence on the stock price in order to attract and increase investor confidence to invest in the company. That's all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stop rekaman. Sudah. Astaga.